Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is Which Particle Allows Atoms to Bond? Okay, so let's go over the different particles that are in atoms. Well, in the center, in the nucleus, we have protons. I'm going to draw them as solid. And we also have neutrons. I'm going to draw them as open. This is the nucleus. So this would be a helium atom because it happens to have 2 protons. And now circling around the nucleus, we have electrons. I'll draw them as X's. This is our basic diagram. And now one of these 3 allows bonds to happen with other atoms. And drum roll, it is the electrons. Yay! And so the electrons are able to form bonds because, first of all, they're the outmost particle. So if protons or neutrons were going to form bonds, you'd have to break the nucleus, and that's actually very dangerous. That's actually how atomic bombs are made. We have a nucleus that's decaying, so we don't want to mess with that. The protons and neutrons just want to stay there. But the electrons are on the outside, and they are free to bond with other atoms. So let's draw a typical example with a sodium and a chlorine. So now, just drawing the valence electrons, this is a Lewis structure. We have sodium has 1 extra valence electron, and chlorine has 7. And so for these basic examples, it's good to know the octet rule, which states that every atom prefers to have a total of 8 valence electrons for a complete shell. So this has 1, this has 7. These 2 electrons are going to form a bond, and now each has 8 because these share. And so these electrons are shared and they form bonds. So all bond formations are because of shared electrons. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been Which Particle Allows Atoms to Form Bonds?